This birdhouse you see before you was made for Mandy and I by Sunset Bay Bonnie, and it was a going away housewarming gift for our move to North Carolina. Now, last summer it had a little action, but I think as you can hear, we have some new tenants. But you can't see all that well in there because Mama has it pretty much blocked off. But you can hear the little peeps. Well, Bonnie, I thought you'd like to know that it's getting a lot of great use and we absolutely love it. We watch them bring the sticks in and fly in and out, and now this might be the second round of babies. I'm not sure. We're hearing them peeps, beep, 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 beep. Alright guys, just wanted to share that. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Have a good day.